All right, everybody, so I got to come take a look at it. This is it. Very, very solid, absolutely no rust anywhere. This is the original mint green color under there. Obviously a Coupe de Ville. Floors are super nice, it's already all gutted. All the parts are in the trunk. Super straight body, can't even find a dent on the car. So we're gonna go talk logistics. I'm gonna see how serious he is about letting her go. And I'm gonna think about making an offer. Thanks guys for joining us on this Cadillac adventure, and I will let you know later how it turns out.